everybody, this is Kris Stelter with Real Floor Solutions. Today we're going to install a 2¼ inch hickory floor in this nice lovely shed that Brad's building. Come along with us and take a ride. Let's do this floor. So you have your hand placed on it. This thing is going to move and smack you in the face. It can also delaminate because of how hard it is, or have wind shake or some sort of You're going to want to line this wheel up right with the end of it and shoot right there. So we just got done sanding 180 feet of this hickory with this new 5-head hydro sand. And I was asked to give some pros and cons on what the difference between this and the old 6-head version would be in my opinion. Having had the other one for 5 years and this one for 5 months, I can definitely tell this cuts slightly more aggressive than the previous model. With one less sheet of paper, it's using less materials, but I feel like it's also taking about 5 to 15%, depending on the species, less time to do the same work that the previous 6-head model had.